Welcome back to the AI revolution. Today we are witnessing what could be the iPhone moment of humanoid robotics. The T800 from Engine AI has just unveiled real on-site footage of its second massive production facility, and there is absolutely no CGI or AI generated trickery. This is pure, raw reality, and it's happening right now. The robot you are seeing is the T800 Humanoid being assembled in the Hunan province of China. This is the company's second factory after its first Shenzhen plant, and you can clearly see humans working directly on the assembly lines. The T100 operates with a staggering 450 Newton meters of peak torque and can run at speeds up to 7 miles per hour. At this moment, the robots are suspended on harnesses as part of an end-to-end quality assurance system, ensuring every unit is flawless before it ships. Looking closer, the chest proudly reads Hunan in Chinese characters. This machine features an incredible 36 total degrees of freedom, with 29 degrees distributed across its body and 7 degrees concentrated in each dexterous hand. That means it can manipulate objects with near human precision. Let's take a tour through their entire facility. First, the Intelligent Sales Humanoid Solution Center showcases the smaller PM01 robot. Next comes the Autonomous Robot Combat League. Yes, fully autonomous fighting robots that have already been displayed in live streamed marketing events. Nothing like this has ever been seen from any other robotics company. Then we enter the Humanoid Data Collection Solution Center, where a human operator is teaching a robot how to retrieve popcorn from a container. This is the blueprint for future family service scenario, where the T800 and PM01 demonstrate home assistance capabilities together. Let's talk about the most jaw-dropping part, the price. The PM01 ranges from $27,000 to $39,500, while the flagship T800 will cost between $25,000 and $50,000. And production speed. These robots are already rolling off the line at a rate of one robot every 15 minutes. The new Hunan facility will dramatically multiply that capacity. Global shipping has already begun. Since June, units have been dispatched to China, North America, Europe, and Southeast Asia. They have appeared in live events running, fighting, and performing tasks. So comment below right now. Do you think this T800 is more advanced than Foundation's MK1? And who is truly leading the race to create the most capable humanoid robot soldiers? But hardware alone is not the whole revolution, because Waddle Labs just dropped a massive language model for robotics called Waddle. This thing diverges from the standard approach of training visual language action models. Instead, Waddle uses LLM agents to write and execute code as the primary control layer. calling specialized action models as tools only when necessary. Waddle Lab claims the old method has three critical limitations. It needs massive robot-specific data sets, it's hard to steer, and it struggles to generate allies across different hardware and environments. Large language models, on the other hand, are already trained on internet scale data and transfer across domains without retraining. Waddle agents break tasks into subtasks, view live camera feeds, and generate programs built from a growing shared library of reusable skills. These include mid-level functions like grasping or aligning. A stunning example. A skill originally created to flip a package was later adopted by a different agent or fold a T-shirt. That's cross-task knowledge transfer in action. Demonstrated capabilities include controlling different arms and camera configurations without new data collection, multi-step task planning with automatic failure recovery, and coordinating multiple robots through a master agent that spawns sub-agents. In internal benchmarks comparing Opus 4.8, Fable 5, and GPT 5.6, only Fable 5 and GPT 5.6 completed harder tasks like t-shirt folding when given higher reasoning budgets. And now another bombshell, SpaceX.AI has released Grok 4.5, its most powerful model yet. It's built for coding, agentic workflows, and complex knowledge work. On published benchmarks, Grok 4.5 scored competitively against GPT 5.5, Cloud Opus 4.8, and Fable, even leading on the software engineering marathon benchmark at 29%. SpaceX AI claims Grok 4.5 uses 4.2 times fewer tokens than Opus 4.8 while running at approximately 80 tokens per second. That speed rivaling lightweight flash models despite being a full capability heavyweight. Training ran across tens of thousands of NVIDIA GB300 GPUs with massive reinforcement learning. Pricing is set at $2 per million input tokens and $6 per million output tokens. The model can already build Excel models, PowerPoint decks, and Word documents through Microsoft Office plugins. Limited free access is available via Grok Build Cursor and the SpaceX API console. So connect the dots. Will Grok 4.5 become the brain for Optimus 3? The T800 is already positioned as a direct Tesla rival. Humanoid robots are marching into homes, and autonomous combat bots are no longer science fiction. Would you trust a $25,000 robot alone in your house? Or would you prefer a completely different form factor? In the next episode, we'll expose classified military trials that are accelerating this race. So do not miss it. Right now, smash the subscribe button for AI Revolution. Ring the bell icon for all notifications. Hit like and share this video with everyone who needs to see it. Knowledge is power and the future is here. Join the frontier of AI revolution.